Hello guys, I'm gonna unboxing and making review of this electric smokeless and griddle. This is smokeless, and this is indoor grill right there, and this is non-stick titanium and copper, right? You can grill a steak, fish, chicken, and burgers. This is saying that non-stick titanium copper, stronger than ever, and this is a product of Gotham steel. And we'll see. I'm gonna grill a burger today. We'll see how it is, if it is smokeless. Alright, this is for grilling, and this is the griddle that you can cook for eggs, pancakes, bacon on it. And this is for steak or chicken barbecue or burger, you can put it. So let's try it out. Okay, before you get started, make sure you read the user manual, and you need a half cup of water. Pour it into drip tray. So, and put your grill plate. The water is like to reduce the smoke, that's why you put in the water on it. So the grill is hot now, and before you put your burger, make sure it's hot and put it now. Here's my burger. There we go. Can you hear the sound? Oh, nice. And there. Here's my bag. Let's see if there's any smoke coming out. It's less smoke. There you go. You can see any smoke on it? There's none, right? So here's my burger. Did you see any smoke on it? But no smoke. Just a little. It smells good. Yeah. So here's my burger. Alright. Look at that. Okay guys, thank you for watching. If you like my videos, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.